Folks, how's it going? This is Abhijit here, and welcome to DevOps Challenge Hub. So let's start with today's interview question, and let me share my screen. So before I go to interview question, I want to share quick information. So I have just started a DevOps Challenge Hub announcement group. I'm posting daily hot jobs and also daily micro career tips and interview tips. And many people already joined. So join the community. Link is provided down below, below this YouTube video. And don't worry, your mobile number will stay private because your other members they won't be able to see your mobile number. It's a community announcement group, so there won't be any spam or something like that. So let's see what does a CloudTrack does in your AWS account. So before that, we'll see a small short demo. This demo Avantika has shared. You guys also can contribute demo. What CloudTrail is. If you want to contribute, please send me a message from DevOps Challenger page. And what it does. So CloudTrail shows who did what and where. It's like a logging service. So as you can see here, this is my event history. So what we can see is what event has been made. Now there are many events over here. We can also see the exact timestamp, which is July 24th today, and then 21:45, which is just a few minutes back. And which user is doing this, which is the root over here. In some cases, we can also see my AWS Lambda or SNS alerts, which is being sent. Now, from where is this event sourced? And the resource type as well, and what's the name of the resource. Everything is over here. We can filter it by date and time, and we can clear the filter. This is a great way to look at what is being done and by whom. For example, if we lose track of something, or if something is deleted, for example, we can clearly look at who has accessed it last and what function did they do. This is easy to, it makes it easier to point out what kind of mistake is being done by whom. Okay. So as we have seen that CloudTrail tracks all API calls made in your AWS account. Who did what, from where, and when. Who did what, from where, and when. So that includes which user or service made the call, what action they performed, whether they have studied instance, put some object in S3, or deleted some bucket, what action they have performed, what resources were involved, like EC2 instance or S3 bucket, or something else. IP address and timestamp of the action. What time action was taken, from which IP address, whether the action succeeded or failed. So let's have a look at sample CloudTrail log, delete S3 bucket. Here you can see that IAM user is data admin and event source is S3 Amazon, delete bucket event. AWS region is AP South 1 and bucket name is important data backup that got deleted. API call made from console, AWS console. So user data admin deleted the bucket important data backup action taken from AWS console in region AP South 1 contains timestamp, source IP, and request IP. Right. So this is what CloudTrail provides. Who did what, from where, and when. So now let's go to the quiz section. You can pause the video, try to answer this quiz yourself. And what does AWS CloudTrail primarily tracks in your account? Network traffic between AWS service, all API calls, including who made them, when, from where, and on which resources. Who made them, when, from where, and which resources. CloudTrail logs all API activity in your AWS account, including user service, action performed, resources involved, time, IP address, and request details. In the provided CloudTrail log, which of the action occurred? So earlier log, which action occurred? It was bucket name important data deleted. Option B. Which of these details can you not directly get from CloudTrail log? Which of these details can you not directly get from CloudTrail log? Exact time, IP address, where the action succeeded or failed, we can get. All these three we get. Amount of CPU used during the action. Yes. Amount of CPU used during the action, we can't get from CloudTrail log. Like whether it's a 70%, 80%, 90%, that we have to get from CloudWatch log. CloudTrail does not capture resource performance metric like CPU usage. That is the role of CloudWatch. In CloudTrail log, event source field value S3 Amazon AWS.com indicates request was targeted the Amazon S3 service. Correct answer is B. Okay. So that's it for today. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also follow my DevOps Ninja page. I post quiz contests daily, and you can take participate in that. And follow my WhatsApp community. I'm posting daily jobs and interview with micro tips, career micro tips. So don't miss out. Please join it. And your number stays private. Other members won't be able to see. So you will find the link below this YouTube video, also on my DevOps Ninja page. Thank you for watching this video. See you again in the next.